Hello everyone, I'm Dora Chavarría, Enterprise Solutions Manager at Mayan Technologies. This video will show you how to hide or unhide columns to personalize the Kinetic screens. First, please go to the screen that you would like to modify. Today, I will be using order entry as an example. Let's open Sales Order Entry screen and review the columns that show. Click the Overflow menu and select Personalize columns. Let's make the necessary changes to the column. For example, I would like to hide PO number, and I would like to show need by date. You can use the slider buttons to unhide or hide the columns. Click Save and navigate back to the landing page and scroll to review the columns. We can see that the PO number is gone and we have now the need by date all the way to the right. Once confirmed, please click the Overflow menu again and click the Save Layout to save the landing page changes. Close the sales order form and reopen it to confirm the changes. If you want to quickly reset the layouts to base on that window, let's go to the Overflow menu, Personalize Columns, and click the Reset to Default. Now we can see that the PO number is on and the need by it's off. Now we see the PO column on the screen and the need by date is gone. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.